Now comes to the question number 5, that is use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. In the previous question we have done square of any positive integer. Now in that question we have to do cube of any positive integer. So similarly for that, let a be any positive integer. Okay friends, and here we take b is equals to 3. Now why we take b is equals to 3? Because here we get 9m. Okay, so for using 9, if we take a value of b is equals to 9, then we have to do r is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, till 8th. So that will be very long for us. Suppose if in case of 9 you have given 8000 m plus 1. So for that you will use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 1000 up to 999. So that cannot be possible. So for that we can use the factor of this number. So we know the 9 is equals to 3 into 3. So we take b is equals to 3. And if you get 1000, so you can also use 2. Because the 1000 factor is 2. So you can use 2. b is equals to 2 for 1000 value. Now we have 9. So we use b is equals to 3 because 3 is a factor of 9. Okay students, clear this? So here we take b is equals to 3 for making our solution short. Okay. Now by Euclid's division lemma. By Euclid's division lemma, a is equals to bq plus r. And here we know that the value of b is 3. So we write 3q plus r, where the r is greater than or equals to 0 and smaller than b. So the all possible values of r is equals to 0, 1 or 2. Okay. When r is equals to 0, we write a is equals to 3q plus 0. So a is equals to 3q. Now we have to do cube, because in the question we have to find the cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So here we have to do cube. So a cube is equals to 3q the whole cube. So we can say that a cube is equals to 3q into 3q into 3q. So a cube is equals to 27q. Now a cube is equals to, we have to make 9 in the form of 9m. So we take common 9 from 27. So in the left we get 3q the cube. Okay. Now m is equals to 3q cube, where m is some integer. We can write it here. Okay. We take m is equals to 3q cube. So m is some integer. So we get a cube is equals to 9m. Okay students, this is for the case first, that is r is equals to 0. Now for the second case, we take r is equals to 1. Then a is equals to 3q plus 1. Now we have to cubing both sides. Cubing both sides, we get a cube is equals to 3q plus 1 the whole cube. And we know the formula, a plus b the whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now a cube is equals to a cube, that means 27 cube plus b cube means 1 cube, that is 1. Okay. Now 3ab square, 3a square b. So we write 3 into a square. Okay. And b is 1, so multiply 1. Now 3ab square. So 3ab square. Now a cube is equals to 27 a cube plus 1. When we multiply we get 27 cube square plus 9 cube. Now a cube is equals to, now we have to take common from this 3. Now we have to take common from this 3 and we take common a cube is equals to 9. So the left is 3 cube plus 3q square plus q plus 1. Now a square is equals to, we can say that 3m plus 1, where we put m is equals to plus 3q square plus q, where m is some integer. M is some integer. That is the case second, r is equals to 1. Now for case third, that is when r is equals to 2, then a is equals to 3q plus 2. Now cubing both sides. Cubing both sides, we get a cube is equals to 3q the plus 2 the whole cube. Okay students, now a cube is equals to 27 plus 8q plus 3 into a square b plus 3 into a b square. Okay students, now we have to write a cube is equals to 27. Now we have to solve this. A cube plus 8 plus 3 square means 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54. So we get 54 q square plus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 2 square, 9 4s are 36, that is 36 cube. So a cube is equals to 27 q cube plus 8 plus 54 q square plus 36 cube. So a cube is equals to 27 q cube plus 54 q square plus 36 cube plus 8. Now we can see that in both 3, in this 3 we can get common 9. So a cube is equals to 9, the left is 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8. So a cube is equals to 9m plus 8 plus 6 square plus 4 cube, and where m is some integer. Okay friends, now you have to write all these questions in your fair copy and send me in a group. Okay friends, take care, bye bye.